This week we're taking a look at a very unique gaming headphone stand. The EKSA 7.1 Virtual Surround Sound RGB stand to be exact. This isn't any ordinary stand by the way, it is indeed for use with any 3.5mm or USB analog gaming headset. What it basically does, or supposedly does, is provide them with a 7.1 surround sound experience, or so we hope. So yep, inside the box we do get quite a weighty stand base. Now we do get a full metal stand that simply slots onto the top of the base just like so, and is secured with those supplied screws. Very simple to do, but to help with the fitment, we are also given a very detailed how to use and how to set up user guide. To power the stand, we are also provided with a Type-C USB cable. Let's plug it into that Type-C port to the rear of the base. And yeah, as you can see, we have some real nice RGB lighting to the bottom, as well as a full rubber non-slip grip. It should be good on any type of surface really. To the front of the stand base, we have a USB 2.0 port. There's a microphone audio port, a standalone audio port, and a 3.5mm microphone port too. Moving to the top, there is another USB 2.0 port, ideal if you want to charge your phone or any other devices. And to the left, we also have a touch controlled switch, which when pressed, well, that switch will also adjust the colour modes of the lighting. So for example, we've got a multicolour flowing mode, we've got single colours like red, green, blue, purple, yellow, as well as a nice breathing mode too. Now this EKSA 7.1 surround sound gaming headset stand will only adapt your standard gaming headphones when they're plugged into the stand and when that stand is indeed plugged into your PC. So yes, you will indeed need to download that EKSA 7.1 surround sound app onto your PC. There shouldn't be any need to adjust any of the microphone settings, but if you do, just basically go to the control panel, change the input microphone setting, and set the EKSA stand as your default microphone. So now, because we need a good example, we are using this basic gaming headphone set.
Alright guys, so this is exactly what the microphone quality is like when the headset is initially just plugged direct into the EVGA PC laptop. As you can tell, my voice does sound a bit laid back. I'm going to compare this voice pickup in comparison to the headset being plugged into the EKSA headphone stand, yes. So yes, the fans are almost running at full speed on this laptop. We've now plugged in the EKSA stand into the side of the laptop. We've opened up the EKSA audio center and we're going to go ahead and reopen the game. Yeah, the microphone is around about 2 inches away from my mouth, so it shouldn't be too distorted. We've actually heard our own voice pick up. We played it back just now and it actually does sound real crisp and quite loud. So yeah, we've moved it a bit of a distance away from our mouth and there should be no distortion. Well, that is if you're not shouting like this. Oh, this looks okay. It looks like it's a point and click adventure.
I tried to open the trapdoor but couldn't do it. Maybe we can try it together.
Sound a bit like, is it Bungle or Zippy from Rainbow?
Oh, Bungle! Oh, Zippy!
Yeah, so this is what the microphone quality is like. The sound is quite good. I'm not going to say that it's really over the top, brilliant, just like £200 to £300 headsets. No. But what it does, this EKSA headphone stand, is give you precise emulation that you will need to have a surround sound experience with budget headphones. So yeah, the microphone, like I mentioned, is nice and crisp, good quality, but as you can tell on the camera just now, the fans are running at high speed. But let's switch back to the microphone. Using that EKSA headphone stand in conjunction to using that EKSA app, well, they both work hand in hand to block out all the outside noise, give you the best possible audio quality and microphone pickup too. So we're just going to try a simple YouTube video. Let's try this one. I think I've used this before, have I? Hell no. Yeah, this one. And let's just see exactly what the audio quality is actually like. So let's have a go with it, shall we? Guys, before we play this video, just to let you guys know, I've actually tested these earphones out this week. I've got a full review for these headphones coming out real soon. They certainly didn't sound this loud when I tested them out. This EKSA stand has boosted the audio in conjunction to using that EKSA built-in app.
Center.
Okay.
Right front. Right surround.
That's pretty good. Oh my god, that is pretty good. Okay.
Back.
Oh, no, let's play it back.
Back.
Fantastic.
Left surround.
That's, you know what, that is spot on.
Because we've been using this for a good couple of hours, well, this particular headphone set today does actually sound a lot better using this EKSA stand, which is kind of surprising, to be honest. Now, I personally did think that this stand was going to be sort of a gimmick, and that maybe the 7.1 surround sound app was doing all of the work. But nope, we've actually tried numerous headsets plugged into the PC while using that 7.1 surround sound app. The sound is a lot lighter, so when you do switch over to that EKSA stand and plug any variety of headphones in, well, it just brings everything together and gives you a better immersive gaming experience with not only louder volume, more impactful surround sound effects, but also does provide you with nice crisp clarity. Like I said, some headsets do differ somewhat, but in all, while using this very cheap Goodman's headphone set, that EKSA stand did provide us today with good directional sound, like directional footsteps around us. And it's good to see that we've got a piece of technology that actually really does do what it says on the box, and that is improve the quality of your basic gaming headphone sets. Now, this stand can be placed in a number of places, for example a desk or a bedside cupboard. It really is aesthetically pleasing to look at and looks even better with some RGB headphones placed upon it. Very nice. So yes, this EKSA stand does retail around £23, that's around 30 in US dollars. And if you would like to get yourself one today, well, I've left a link in the video description, so yes, go and take a look. And if you like what you see, well, why not go get yours? Trust me, it's definitely really worth the look. I actually love it. Now, when you're in that video description, please make sure to smash a like and share this video today. I'd very much appreciate it. Please subscribe to this channel, making sure to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now, we're going to be doing some more fascinating reviews in the next few days, so stay tuned for those very next uploads. But as usual, please stay safe and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!